but you need to write this textual data beta for your exam. The North Indian plain is about blank kilometer long, 2400 kilometer, and it is considered as one of the largest river plain of the world. One of the largest river plain of the world, our Indian plain beta, North Indian plain. Its western part is narrow than the eastern part. Western part means Punjab and Haryana. In Punjab and Haryana, this plain is narrow, while in eastern part it is broad, means Sundarban, West Bengal, Uttar Pradesh. Their North Indian plain is broader, while in the western part it is narrower. The plain is almost a level land. North Indian plain is a level land, means flat plain. None of its part is higher than 180 meters from sea level. Okay, North Indian plain not higher than 180 meters from the sea level. The plain is very narrow near Delhi. Now, this plain have different name beta. Satluj plain lies to the west of Delhi. Toward the west of Delhi, North Indian plain is known as a Satluj plain, while the Ganga plain is in the east. From the east of Delhi means Uttar Pradesh, West Bengal. There it is known as a Ganga plain. Ganga origin, and Devprayag, Haridwar. From there it flow toward the east through West Bengal. So why the name is given Ganga plain. Satluj plain, 5 rivers of Punjab. One of the river of Punjab is Satluj, and there the plain is formed, named Satluj plain. And due to the Ganga and her tributary, the plain is known as a Ganga plain. This plain is considered to be the most prosperous region of India. Ganga plain is the most prosperous, especially. Important cities such as Delhi, Kanpur, Lucknow, Allahabad, Varanasi, Patna, Kolkata, etc. are situated in this plain. Okay, good information, knowledgeable point beta. Which cities are located in this North Indian plain, especially Ganga plain. Now, Sindhu river and its tributaries, Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, Bias and Satluj originated in Himalaya. All the tributaries and the Sindhu originated in Himalayas. Generally, region between the two rivers. Generally, region between two rivers is called blank. The region between two rivers is called Doab. Do means two. Ebb means water, your objective point beta. Region between two rivers is called blank, Doab. Do means two, Ebb means water. Same way, in Punjab, why the name Punjab given beta? Plain which is formed by 5 rivers is called Punjab. Panj means 5 and Ebb means water. So why the name is given Punjab. And most of this plain, Satluj plain mainly spread in Pakistan, Ganga plain in India. Okay, clear? Just we are learning the North Indian plain. Textually I am explaining you just your important short note. Write a short note on North Indian plain. You can write the same detail textually. On the basis of physiography, North Indian plain is divided into 4 parts. Okay, Babar, Terai, Bangar and Khadar. So here already in previous standard you learn beta 5 divisions of the North Indian plain. Most important, explain the term beta. Explain the term Babar, Terai, Bangar and Khadar. Here only given beta answer your a small narrow belt of gravels and stones lies parallel to the river from Sindhu up to Tista river in Shivalik foothills. This belt is almost 8 to 16 kilometer wide. It is called Babar. So one division of North Indian plain, Babar. Answer given beta here. Okay, it is a small narrow belt of gravels and stones deposited there beta. It is parallel to river Sindhu. Okay, it spread or lies parallel to river Sindhu, 8 to 16 kilometer belt wide, 8 to 16 kilometer wide, long not wide, 8 to 16 kilometer, parallel to Sindhu to Tista river. Babar. Now Terai regions, which is more humid and marshy, come next to this Babar. Okay, towards the Delhi, Terai region, Punjab, Haryana, where the Sindhu river flow towards Pakistan, western side, that is Babar. From Terai river, now the Terai region start. Terai region, more marshy means dense forest is there, more humidity is there. So dense forest and diversified wildlife are seen in Terai region. Okay, it is next to this beta Babar, next to Babar. Now third one, Bangar. The old alluvium in the plain is called Bangar. Initially the plain formed many years ago, hundreds of years ago, thousands of years ago even we can say, this Bangar old alluvium plain deposited, and due to consistent deposition it developed a terrace shape which is at a higher level than the flood plains. The new sediment of the flood is called Khadar. New plain is formed due to new sediment deposition when the flood comes. Flood comes, these Himalayan rivers brought the sediment, deposited, and new plain is formed because of new sediments is called Khadar. Old alluvium deposited is called Bangar. And already we discussed about the Babar. Okay, so North Indian plain short note is completed. Thank you. Jai Bharat.